Hey guys, welcome to Tech Team channel. Hope you guys having a great day. In this video, I'm gonna show you how can we stop texting you in Roblox app. So at first, just go to your Roblox app. Now click the bottom last, the three dot icon. Now just scroll down and go to settings. Now click on privacy, the third option. Now here in the communication, the middle one is who can text chat with me in app. Now just click on it and select no one. And that's how you can stop texting you in Roblox app. So guys, hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, then give a thumbs up and please subscribe Tech Team channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.